Good morning, children. Sai Ram. I welcome you back after your long summer vacation. I hope that you all are safe at your home with your family members. So, children, I hope you enjoy your summer vacations also and you complete your holiday homework also. So, children, now we are going to start our fourth chapter in maths. So let's start. I hope you all are good. Okay, so let's start. Okay, now come to our chapter. So children, let's start with our chapter. Now chapter 4, long and short. Chapter 4 name is long and short. So children, I hope from the name you can guess how we can define long and short. Okay, so for example, I am giving you like ruler. Ruler is long. Okay children, ruler is long. And if you see needle, needle is short. Needle is short. So children, long defines that something long, like you can define rope. Rope means रस्सी लॉन्ग होती है. ओके, एंड शॉर्ट, what you can define? Needle I told you, and other things you can define like eraser. Eraser is short, but your pencil is long. So children, let's start with our chapter. Now start reading. Lali is selling things at her father's shop. Now children, look here. Lali is selling things at her father's shop. So children, look here. She is Lali and she is selling things at her father's shop. A farmer comes to buy what? To buy a rope. To buy a rope. So one farmer came and he want to buy a rope. Can you give me 7 arms of rope? Means 7 arms long he want a rope. Here is your arm of rope. Now arm means she will measure from the arm like this. How she will measure? She will measure like this, like one arm, then again she took 2 arm, then again she took 3 arm. Okay, like this she will do with 7 arm, and she will give rope to the farmer. Okay, now why do not you measure your arm with this rope and take 7 times of that length? Now she is saying you can measure this with your arm, that this is 7 arm long rope. Who is saying? Lali is saying. Now farmer is saying, but this is only 6 arm long. Now what farmer is saying? This is only 6 arm long. Okay, so the farmer measure his arm with the rope and Lali gives him 7 times that much rope. Now farmer is saying this is 6 arm long. Now farmer is start measuring, and when he measures, then Lali gives 7 times that much rope. Measure your arm and your mother, means he is saying you measure your arm and your mother's arm. What is the difference? What is the difference? Her arm is short, so when she measure her arm with her mother's arm, so what is the difference? Okay children, now this is your homework. You can also measure your arm with your mother's arm, and then you will write a difference. Like you can measure, you know what is inchy tape? You know, I hope you know what is inchy tape. You took that inchy tape and you measure your arm first, full arm, with that inchy tape. Then you measure your mother's arm with that inchy tape, full arm, from here to this. Okay, then your mother's arm, then you write down what is the difference. So children, this is your question. Okay, you will do at your home. This is funny activity. Okay, you can do. Now come to next page. Now children, how many? We have to go with how many. Okay, in how many steps will Dorji cross the road? Now here they are asking, in how many steps Dorji. Who is Dorji? This boy names Dorji. Now they are asking in how many steps he will cover to cross the road. Like children, this is his first step. Okay, if we go now, we can measure same, and we will go with this like 2, 3, I hope 4 and 5. 5 step will be there. If you measure with the scale, first you measure with this. Okay, then you put your scale, then you mark again 3, 4 and 5. So children, Dorji will complete how many steps? Now you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He will took 5 steps to cross the road. How many steps? 5 steps. How many steps? 5 steps. Dorji took 5 steps to cross the road. Okay children, now come to next. How many cups can be placed in a line on this table? How many cups we can place? Can you guess? Like 3 cups are on the table. Okay children, how many cups? 3 cups. So children, they were asking how many cups can be placed in a line on this table. So there are 3 cups on the table, and with the same size we will draw more cups. Then we will count how many cups we can place on the table. Like 3 cups were there, for the same size if we do, so I hope there are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, you will draw with pencil. I am giving you a guess. I hope it means 4 more cups will be there to put on the table. If we can measure this, okay, for the same line, if I can measure this from here and one more, so how many cups can we place? Here 4 cups can we place. So how many cups we can place? We can place here 4 cups. Okay, with the same size you will draw on the table, and then you will write down the number, that how many cups we can draw on this table in the same line. Okay, now next, how many pots can be placed to reach the tree? Means here are 2 pots. Okay, if we want to reach the tree with the same size of pot, how many pots would be drawn? So if I draw, according to me, it will be 7 pot with the same size of pot, one upon another. So same, you will draw one by one pot. Okay, and you will see how many pots will be here, 6 or 7. Okay, so according to me it is 7 with the same size, but you draw and you will see that how many pots will be drawn up to reach the tree branch. We have to reach this tree branch. Okay children, now next, how many shirts can be hung on this wire? So children, now we can see how many shirts can be hung on this wire. Like they were, how many shirts they have hang? They have hang only one. They have hang only one. Okay, now we have to see the length, like according to this length, how many shirts we can hang more. Okay, so 1, 2, I hope 2 will come. 2 more shirts will come. Okay, so you will write here how many shirts can be hung. 1, 2 and 3. You will draw shirt here. So we can hang 3 shirt on this wire. Okay, you will draw the shirt same how it is drawn, one here and one here. Okay, now come to next. Understood? Or we can repeat again. In how many steps Dorji crossed the road? That I told you. That is 5 steps. Okay. Here how many cups more can be placed here? That is 4. And how many pots placed to reach the branch? That is 6 or 7. Okay, according to me it is 7, but you go, when you draw you see to reach the branch how many cups we need. Okay, next I told you how many shirts, like one shirt is hanging on the wire. Okay, so how many shirts we can hang with the same size? We have to hang with the same size. Like one is on this, then we can measure 1 and I hope 2. So 1, 2 and 3. You will draw same shirts 2 here. Okay, so 3 shirts. Understood? Now come to next. How much is a centimeter? Now we have to check how much is a centimeter. Now they have given one ruler. Okay, and according to that, in that, like how many counts we are having, that 1 centimeter should be completed. Like if we go through that, like the matchstick is 4 centimeter long, like we can count like 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now Next, like 4, because up to this they were counting. Understood? Next, the die is 1 centimeter from every side. Like from this to this, if they are starting, that will complete 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, up to end line. Same, the die they are talking about, die they are counting 1. Okay, how many centimeter? 1 centimeter of each side. They are counting about each side. Now, the lizard. So, dice is of 1 centimeter from every side. The lizard is 13 centimeter long. Now they are talking about lizard. Lizard is 13 centimeter long. Like if we will count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How they are counting? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay children, like this is your 1 centimeter, so including that is our 1 centimeter. So lizard is a 13 centimeter, matchstick is 4 centimeter. Like how we are counting? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, same with the dice, that is 1. Okay, understood? And lizard we have counted 13 centimeter. Now come to next. The leaf is dash centimeter long. How many centimeter long? That is, if we will count this, how many centimeter long? Like 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many centimeter? 4 centimeter long. So our answer is 4. The wax color is dash centimeter long. Children, you will put ruler and then you will measure how many centimeter our wax color is long. So this is your wax color, okay, brown color. And if we will go with this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is your wax color line. So this is your 7 centimeter long. Now look at the scale. Now we have to look at the scale, and that you find in geometry box how many centimeters do it have. So children, now we have to look at the scale that you find in geometry box. You are having your geometry box and you are having scale. In that you have to see how many centimeter does it have. So children, I hope you know that how many centimeter of a scale do we have in geometry box. That is 15 centimeter. That is 15 centimeter. Okay children, I can show you one scale, geometry box scale. Wait, how? So this is your geometry box scale. Okay children, and how much centimeter it is? It is 15 centimeter long. Understood? Now come to next. Is it easier to start measuring from the 0 mark Look at the things drawn near the scale and find out their length. So children, what are little lines on the scale used for? These little lines are used for, you can guess what little line can guess. Little line shows short object. For this, your answer is short objects. Understood, children? About 10 centimeter long, about 10 centimeter long. So we have to look for things that are according to it, like 10 centimeter is our soap cake. If you measure that, 10 centimeter is our soap cake. SOAP. I don't have space, that's why I am writing here CAKE, cake. So your answer for this, about 10 centimeter long, is your soap cake. What are the little lines on the scale used for? That is your short objects. Now next, between 10 to 20 centimeter long, what we will go with? 10 to 20 centimeter, that is your spoon. Okay children, and what you can write down? Bottle. Small bottle you are having na, that is also like 10 centimeter we are having our spoon, and 10 and 20 centimeter, because small water bottles also we are having, or big also. So up to 20 we are counting, that is our bottle. Okay. Now less than 1 centimeter long. Less than 1 centimeter long. That is your nail. So here your answer is nail. Okay, your nail is less than 1 centimeter long. Okay. Now come to next. Draw some of them here. Like, what you have to draw? Mouse, where are you? I am here. Here is mouse. Can you have a look? He is asking, mouse, where are you? So he is saying, I am here. So draw some of them here. Like, this is drawn for you. You can draw, like, what you can draw? You can draw a rabbit. Okay, and rabbit is short. Or what you can draw? You can draw a horse or a cow, and you will draw here a horse or a cow, and here you will ask, rabbit, where are you? So rabbit will be drawn here, and he will reply, I am here. Okay, same you can draw. Understood, children? Okay. Now, so children, this you can draw here. Understood? With the same conversation how they are doing, and you just measure with ruler what things I told you, and how we are measuring. Like, you can measure soap, you can measure your spoon, you can measure your water bottle. Okay, and if you are having rope, you can measure that also. On wire, what we have put shirt, that shirt also you will measure with your ruler. according to that you will draw. Same with the bowl, you will do with the bowl. Okay, so children, first you took your geometry box and see your ruler in your geometry box. Then you measure some of the things what I told you. Then you will write, so that centimeter, meters you will get clear. Understood? How we are measuring lizard, how we are measuring leaf, how we are measuring matchstick, how we are measuring color wax. Okay, so you can measure with your scale also, that you are having your wax color, and you can measure easily. So children, first you do this activity with your scale, then afterwards we will continue with the another activity in long and short. So children, till then what you have to do, what things I told you, you have to measure that, you have to do that properly. And in your book, first you draw, then I told you what to write in your notebook. These activities you will do in your book only. Okay, afterwards we will meet and I will tell you what you have to going to start in your notebook. Okay children, till then, bye and stay safe at your home. Okay children, bye.